Alright guys, good morning and welcome to another mini vlog. Today I drove this thing here because we got something special that I was waiting for a long time, almost like a month and a half. We got this bad boy here. We got the downpipe finally, and we're gonna drop this car off at the shop so they can install it. But I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video of this before I drop it off so everybody sees what it looks like, because I can't really find a lot of videos on the E53s, on these E53s. So let's get started. It's a bigger place here, it's a lot easier to do, so I'm gonna use this car. Boom boom bam. Oh shit. Damn. Let me open this up and I'll get right back, alright? Alright guys, so this is what it looks like in the box. Got some Red Star tape taped up. We're gonna open that up right now and I will show you guys what it looks like before we drop it off at the shop. We're also gonna do a before and after comparison of the exhaust or the noise or whatever, but yeah, let's get started. Let me open this up, I'll show it to you guys, and we'll drop this car off. Alright, so here you go. Look at this beautiful masterpiece. It says Red Star exhaust, and it's wrapped in the something, I'm not sure what you call this. I did choose to wrap it in this beautiful metallic mesh or whatever the heck it is. But this is what it looks like, guys. We're gonna start it up and rev it up a little bit and see what it sounds like now, and then we're gonna do it after we install the downpipe. So let's get into it. Alright guys, there you go. That was the before sound of the E53 AMG. This is a 2022, by the way, and we got everything in the trunk. We're about to drop this off and we'll pick it up after a couple hours, probably about half a day, he said. Alright, so we're driving to the shop. I don't know if you guys can hear that now, but I feel like I have to do it with my phone. That's what it sounds like right now. And we are here. My guy Danny is going to be doing it. All right everyone, so it's the next day today. We got the downpipe installed. I'm about to see what it sounds when you're driving, then we'll do some comparison when we stop at a parking lot. God damn. Y'all hear that? That's it. So we're gonna do comfort, sport, and sport plus with the valves open for each one of them. Let's see what it sounds like.